Hiya, today we're going to make an onion soup. Very simple. This is what you need, okay? You need 36 fluid ounces of water. We've measured them out with a jug that's two-sided, so it doesn't matter whether you're left or right-handed. Dessert spoon of cornflour, a good knob of butter, any sort of butter, some ground black pepper. We've got 4 onions. These weigh a pound. And then we've got 5 ounces of potato, and then we've got 4 oxo veg stock cubes. Okay, so we'll just prepare these and then we'll get back to you. Right, we've prepared our onions, cut them up like that, and we've thinly sliced your potatoes. And what we're going to do now is put these in your pan with a little bit of butter. So we're just going to throw these in, and these, and these. And we're going to get quite a good chunk of butter, probably about 12 gram, maybe, something like that. Put it in. And we're just going to put them on a low light. And then we're going to sort of saute these for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so we'll do that and then we'll get back to you. Right, what we've done now, we've sautéed it for 10 minutes. Don't forget to keep stirring it because it can stick to the bottom, and don't have it on too high a heat. Now what we're going to do then is add our stock cubes, crumble them up. I've opened them because last time I couldn't get them open, could we? So,
no.
Let's get all the bits in. And then, okay. And we'll pour the water in. So we've got our 36 fluid ounce that we've already measured out. What we're going to do as well is just with the cornflour, we're just going to sit in your water and then add it in. So just stir that round. Okay. A great spoon of cornflour going in. And we're going to put in a good chunk of ground black pepper. What we're going to do now is just put it on a low to medium heat. You can cover it up now if you want as well. Just stir it in a minute. And then we'll have it on about 20 minutes. So I'll just get this on. If you put it on a lower heat and then cover it up, just make sure it doesn't boil over, keep the lid, keep looking at it. But you should get it to a point where it doesn't boil over, okay? And then we'll get back to you. Right, we've had it on for about half an hour. What you need to know is that your potatoes are soft. And when you can get your, if you can find a potato in it, there, and then poke your fork through it, can you see it goes right through? So that's soft. Best thing as well about onion soup, it's quite inexpensive. And it's really good for health things and that. So, and our cameraman is full of a cold at the minute, so I'm going to get some of this down his neck. Okay, so what we're going to do now is cool it down for about 20 minutes or so in some water, and then we will blend it and show you. Okay. Right, we've blended it up now, and this is what you're left with. And always have it with some brown crusty bread or something. Okay. And for our student viewers, if you want to make some makeshift croutons, do some fried white bread in some sunflower oil in a frying pan, and then chop it up into little bits and then pop them in your soup. If you've got a bit of garlic powder as well, you could sprinkle it over the bread before you turn it over. If you haven't, it doesn't matter, and pop them in and try that. Okay.